Hey everyone, this is Craig Cohagen, sales manager right here at Permian Ford. I just wanted to take a moment and thank you so much for browsing our inventory. If you have any questions about anything you see, please give us a call at the number you see below. Thank you and have a great day.
Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having valuable features in high demand. A good deal. Features also include remote start, premium sound system, leather seats, ventilated seats. Come test drive the 2017 Sierra 2500 HD. The GMC Sierra 2500 HD has all your workhorse basics covered. No worries here. This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: sliding rear window, four-wheel drive, sunroof, tow hitch, heated mirrors, heated outside mirrors, trailer brake controller, bed liner, electronic stability control, chrome wheels. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.
Thank you for browsing our inventory. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 575-393-6176.